7 horazaka sikhupha boma license namhlanje birthday yami ngimnandi sikhupha boma million to be started siya kancane vaya ngamashumi bayithola dayide sure mina bizo lami ngim-aga yithola dayide ya angikhulumi ngo-ata mafukati ata mafikeni just because ngirepresent ikasi lami imafikeni bayithola dayide Kala 7 yabona futhi kwayo sezinyuku nabantwana bamnandi ethola dayide sure phakathi kuhle ngipusha nobhemu wami lemokolo ethola dayide sure Matshela ukuthi wena ngubani ngipusha siphi imokolo ngibona sure
Okay igama lami umuntu omzodwa qhamuka khona le Mafikeng igama engicula ngalo iya ithola dayide sesinyuku sithakade lele wena so ingoma esidume ngayo ngithi bhaka lekhekhe ayithola dayide abantu abaningi banomona banehope pride but thina sikopa ingoma zakade kanjani ja ngoba ade khuluma ngokusika ikhekhe nephila sikhuluma ngobhaka kwayo ukuthi before ade thola ikhekhe uthasi fanele ibhaka lithola dayide leke thina sikhuluma ukuthi siyabhanganisa ukuthi kube nekhekhe ithola dayide gcwala 7 Gumatwetwe umkhupululi wakho wendaba